Hey, I'm William. Today, I'm going to show you how to check the motor capacitor on a Maytag washer that isn't spinning or agitating. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we'll need a multimeter and a flathead screwdriver. Always unplug your appliance before you do any work on it to protect yourself from electric shock, which can potentially cause serious injuries.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water.
To get to the capacitor, we can lean the washer back. I'm setting the washer on its back so you can easily see what I am doing. We're going to grab a 5/16 inch socket to remove the belt shield bolts, and after we do that, we can set the shield off to the side. Now we're going to test the capacitor. Before we set our meter, we're going to carefully disconnect the wires and use our screwdriver to discharge the capacitor. Do not touch the metal of the screwdriver. We're going to set the tip on one terminal post and create a bridge to the other one, then leave the screwdriver there for a few seconds. Repeat this one time. Now that we've made sure the capacitor is discharged, we're setting our meter to capacitance, which has a symbol that looks like two sideways T's facing each other.
As you can see here, we had to switch multimeters because our original multimeter didn't have a capacitor setting, like this clamp meter has here.
Set your meter probes onto each post. If the capacitor is good, we should get a reading between 48 to 52 microfarads of capacitance. If the reading is outside of this range, the capacitor will need to be replaced.
If everything is good, we can go ahead and plug the capacitor back in, install the belt shield and the 2 screws. After that, sit the washer back on its base. Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
If your capacitor tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your washer from agitating and spinning. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. If your capacitor tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.